Oh, and we're just recording. What is up, you guys? I didn't even plan on starting this video. Anyways, I didn't even plan on starting this video right now, but since it's turned on, might as well just start. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am Tay Mills. This is my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we are going to be doing
an unboxing. And don't come for my neck because I'm late.
You already know what this video is about by the title, but I just got this for myself, so that's why I want to unbox it, because I haven't unboxed something in so long. I was actually thinking about it the other day, and my last unboxing was, I'm pretty sure, my Vera Bradley haul that I did for my 16th birthday. If you want to watch that video, it's very cringe. I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 11 Pro Max and my new iPad 7th generation, so if you want to see what they look like, then keep on watching. So, right now I have my iPad box, and then as for my iPhone, it's in this box. It was in this Five Below bag because I got two cases actually to put on my phone. So the first case I got was just this, it's like this butterfly case, and it's like little like crystals on it and stuff. And then the second case I got isn't as cute. It's just this basic clear iPhone case, but it had like more bumpers on it, which is why I got this. So I liked this one, but I also like this one, so I just got both because they were at Five Below, so they were only $5. So now we're going to open up my boxes. Did I lose my scissors that fast? So let's open up the iPad one first. Yes, you know, gotta hold you off for the iPhone, because that's what everyone wants, obviously. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh my god, am I zoomed? Am I good enough? Okay, let's hope this is like good enough, whatever. I don't care. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so it's just a whole bunch of freaking papers and crap that no one cares about. And then, so next we're gonna open the box for my iPhone. Oh my god, I have my iPhone here right now. I have the iPhone 7. Okay, excuse me, ma'am, thank you. I have the iPhone 7 Plus. I got the black one, and I've had it for 4 years now. I just got this random like silicone case off of Amazon. So yeah, I had that phone for 4 years. I actually used to want to update my phone all the time, but I was like, you know what, I'm content with the iPhone 7 Plus. And I kind of didn't want the iPhone 11 Pro Max because I didn't like the 3 cameras, because I don't like, I think I have something phobia for like spiders, like the 3, like because their eyes or whatever. So I was like, I'm not going to get that case or that phone. I'm just going to wait until next year when they come out with another one, as they always do. But then I kept looking at it and I was like, she actually looks kind of cute, so I might just get her. So I ended up getting her right after New Year's because we thought there would be a deal, which there kind of were deals, but then there kind of weren't. I have to turn off my closet. It's really getting on my nerves. Here we are now, obviously, taking out my phone, and I got the 64GB one. I didn't want to pay more for the 256, you know, not that deep, but oh my god, this is just so crazy right now. I feel like I've waited like forever, and I honestly waited 5 days. But here she is. It's gonna, come on, don't be too bright. Oh my god, yes. In her beauty, in her glory. First, before I forget, because I don't want to forget while I'm doing this, I'm going to turn off Find My iPhone, because I have to send my phone back to Verizon. So let me just, I'll use my scissors. Gonna take off the wrapping, you know. I've never owned an iPad. I think my mom just got an iPad this year, and it was for our Christmas party so people could do the photo booth with it. That was it. Come on. Still no. There we go. Oh my god! Look at her. Oh my goodness. But I will take her out. Oh my god, all this stuff is falling out. Holy crap. Oh, she's so pretty. I got the rose gold one. Like, she is just so pretty. Can you see that? I know it's really hard because like my lights suck, but here she is in all her glory. Let's take off the plastic. I can't remember the last time I took off plastic for an iPad item. Sorry, I should have showed you. I suck at this. I'm really sucking right now. Oh, wow. Oh my god. an iPad. I'm just so baffled right now that I'm holding an iPad. Like what? So yeah, this is the rose gold iPad 10. Whoa, it's 10.2 7th generation, and I got 128 gigabytes for the storage. And pretty much it was a deal that I got because I originally was just going to get my phone, and then they gave me half off on this iPad for getting my phone. So I do monthly installments on this, and then I also do data because in order for me to do the deal, I had to get data with it. So I paid data per month, but it's only $20, so I didn't really care. So yeah, here she is. I ordered a case and everything for them, but they're coming tomorrow from Amazon because I ordered them late last night, Sunday night, and it's a Monday night today. So that's why I went out and got more, you know, iPhone cases, because my case wasn't going to be here in time for when I went to work tomorrow. So here she is. She's just so pretty. Oh my god, I've been waiting forever for this. So yeah, obviously in the box, all the stuff, it just has like the little pamphlet, and then I have the cool charger now that comes with the iPad, which I didn't know was like a block, like legit a block. And then I have another cord. It's just the cord that comes with it. So I don't think there's anything else in the box. I think it's just the stuff on top. So yeah, it's all just pretty basic stuff, you know. And we're gonna open up my new phone. Oh my god. Okay, let's open this puppy up. Oh my god. This is like just so crazy. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Cause like my new phone. Like this is gonna be my new phone. Like this is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, the camera looks so weird. Oh, I think I kind of spit on it when I said that. Oh my god. Oh, this thing is heavy. Yeah, when everyone says it's heavy, it's definitely got some weight to it. Like this puppy, she a little thick, okay? Yeah, wow, there is like a big weight difference in this. She looks so nice though. Oh my god. Like the camera, everyone says like, oh my god, I watched videos and it looks so different from like the video. No, trust me, the videos look exactly the same as the phone, not gonna lie. Not trying to make it seem like it's not like that pretty, but like at the same time, she doesn't look that different from, crap. She doesn't look that different from the videos that I watched, you know? Like she still, you know, looks matte, whatever, not that big of a deal. Okay, we're gonna take this plastic off next. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like no home button, bro. Like I've had a home button since high school. I just like how it looks on the side. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it's gonna come up. Like, do you see that, how it looks like so shiny and stuff? Oh my goodness gracious. That is crazy. Wow. If anything, I can say that looking at the camera up close, because when I looked at it in the store, like you couldn't turn the phone around because Target be drawing, but like the camera looks different. It looks more like 2D on the video, and like here you can see how it's like really beveled and stuff. Before I start tripping, let me put a case on this girl. So let me put both the cases on just to see what she'll look like. And actually, while I do that, I'm gonna back up my phone so that way it'll detect it. Also, most people don't know this. I feel like a lot of people who own Macs, they're able to set up their phone with their Mac. You can set up your phone without a computer. Like, did you know that? Because I literally go into like my general settings, go into iCloud, scroll to the bottom, go to iCloud backup, which is on because I set mine to automatically backup all the time. It says last successful backup was 12:47 a.m. like while I was asleep last night. So I'm going to say backup now. So it's literally backing up my phone right now. So everything that's on my phone this present moment, like text messages and all, it's going to show up on this new phone when I select which backup I want to use. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh god, okay. English. It just detected. This is so weird. It did not used to do this. I did not have it that easy before. It just detected that I was setting up a new phone and then it said set up. So I'm gonna wait for this to back up first before I do that. Okay, continue. Wow, it's setting up just like that. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Position pattern in the, oh. Wow! Didn't know I could do that. I'm finally back. I know this literally took like, well, you don't know, but it was a process. It took forever. So pretty much for Verizon, I have to turn off Find My iPhone, and I accidentally erased all the contents without turning off Find My iPhone. So then I tried doing it on my new phone, which I've now set up, but I was still unsure if like the Find My iPhone was turned off, so I had to reset up my phone just to erase it all again, which is what it's doing right now. But anyways, I just set up my phone. This is what she's looking like. And I also have set up my iPad, and I connected it to my new phone because I wanted to be connected to the new one instead of the old one. And this has so many fingerprints on it. Like, can you see that already?
Oh, that is disgusting.
But yeah, I already set up the new one. And I'm trying to figure out right now how to get my messages, like the names, to come up. Because right now it's still coming up as numbers. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I didn't want to download everything from my phone onto my iPad because I'm not going to have everything on there. Like, I only want certain stuff. So I now have my iPad set up, and I have my new phone set up. So I probably will be doing an updated what's on my iPhone now that I have my new phone set up, so you guys can see what is now my iPhone. So if you want to see the phones side by side real quick, my god, my black one is so dirty. But here's what they look like side by side. Sorry, it just looks bad, like when you're looking at them, because, you know, my light sucks. But here's both of them, and then here's just what the front, my god, here's what the front looks like. Look at the fingerprints. Holy crap, it is so bad. That's why I need that screen protector. And here's a side view. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy this little very small tiny video, please feel free to give it a like, and if you're not already, subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with all the new videos that I post. I hope you guys have a great day, evening, or night, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.